Hi guys, this is Gabriella Foster. I'm coming to you today because I have the pleasure and honor of being selected as one of this year's presenters in the NGH 2023 Hypnosis Convention in Marlborough, Mass. That is going to be on August 11th through the 13th. And on the 13th Sunday, I will be presenting. The topic of my presentation, we're going to discuss how we can use hypnotherapy as a treatment modality for substance abuse. I've worked with a lot of substance abuse patients and mental health. I am a psychotherapist, so I've had the pleasure of working with those clients in ongoing arenas, from their first separation from substance abuse to their maintenance of maintaining a sober living. And what I found is that hypnosis is a vital treatment or connection to connect that dot, to keep them very healthy, and to also give them more psychosocial or education as to what was the onset in the first place. So what we're going to discuss in the class, we're going to talk about those things. We're going to talk about what are some of the life events, some of the things that may happen to us that may cause addiction, substance abuse addiction in the first place. And maybe it may even be inherited. So those are some of the things we're going to explore. But then we will also explore how hypnosis will be used as a coping skill by those clients who are suffering from substance addiction disorders. In addition, we're going to teach you at least 6 steps that you will be able to utilize with your clients to help facilitate not only becoming sober, maintaining sober, and learning to live a healthy, safe, structured life in the future. So we have wonderful handouts. We have some video inserts. We even have a client study that we're going to go over as well. So I am so looking forward to seeing you guys on Sunday. I think it's a don't miss if you're working with any clients that may be going through this. And we all know post-COVID, now we have plenty of addictions have arose due to isolation of separation. So with that said, I'm just so looking forward to seeing you guys on Sunday morning. Every year I go, I get such enlightened information, just a plethora of information and skills and techniques to bring home with me, to help with my clients, to not only help me, but to help them live their very, very best life. So I look forward to seeing you guys there. Make it a blessed day.